Hello everyone, David Lewis here. When it comes to the service meet and greet, I cannot emphasize much how important it is that you all understand people's perceptions, and that when people initially come to the service department, they're extremely defensive. And you only have so many minutes in order to gain and earn their confidence. Now I want to share something interesting with you. Are you aware that most people in that first 2 or 3 minutes only hear about 8% of what you're saying? That the additional 92% of what they perceive of you is coming from your body language. That is why it is so critically important that you look the part, you act the part, and you talk the part. That you are neatly dressed and that you are professional and polite. Because here's what's happened. If they don't view you initially in that initial perception as being a professional service advisor, they're never going to hear what you're saying. They're just going to want to drop their keys off, give you their information, and move on. So, every time you greet a customer, always remember that initially 92% of what they're seeing is their perception of your body language, not what you're saying.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.